Hey everybody, here I am with a little special of tech news and talk, which I do every now and then. I was supposed to get this video out Saturday, but due to some things on my personal life, I couldn't be able to get the video out, so I decided to do it today to get it out for you guys so y'all guys can have a video. So what we're going to be talking about is Windows 11, macOS Monterey, and Office 2022 that's currently in the works, due to them being mainly currently right now in development. So let's talk a little bit about Windows 11. As we all know that Windows 11 is going to have a brand new graphical user interface with some new visual elements. Of course, the start menu is going to have a little bit of a small redesign, which you don't have the so-called live tiles when you open the start menu on the right, like kind of like in the middle next to where your programs would be on the left side. You got all your pinned apps, kind of almost like Windows XP-ish, but for the taskbar, it kind of almost looks similar to the dock in macOS, which it kind of does look too macOS-esque-ish, with the start menu being in the start button and all being right to the center for like the large wide monitors that some people use nowadays for gaming and such. But you do have the ability to have it back in the left side of the left corner of the screen. But it's kind of an odd, cluttered design, which I'm not too impressed with the cluttered design of the start menu in Windows 11. But you do get some new dark mode features and some new sounds for the user interface. And Microsoft is also adding some new functions and new ways to improve the productivity of your of any app, like working between different productivity and your regular applications, allowing you to do snap layouts and multiple desktops in Windows to work around with when you're multitasking with several programs up and running on while you're doing a big task. And of course, Microsoft is also doing adding some new features to their built-in Teams app that's going to be coming with Windows 11. And of course, we all know that Windows 11 changed the system requirements. So for the minimum, you got to have 4 gigabytes of RAM to install Windows 11, along with TPM 2.0, which not every computer has TPM 2.0, so it would be out of luck basically to run Windows 11. And plus, it would make no sense to have 4 or 8 gigabytes of RAM to run Windows 11 to begin with. So a lot of people are using like 16 gigabytes of RAM or more. But let's take a look at some of the cool new features that's going to be some of the new cool features with macOS Monterey. Mainly, you're going to have some new features with FaceTime, where you'll be able to do screen sharing, and you get to allow your people that's in your FaceTime chat to see your screen while you're having multiple people in your FaceTime conversation on the desktop version of FaceTime. And of course, you're going to have some new features as well that allows you to disable your Apple devices from your Mac, where you can put them in Do Not Disturb mode while you're mainly doing some work on your Mac. And you do have the new ability to invite people into your FaceTime by setting up a unique web link. And of course, they're doing some small changes. But you can always go to the Apple website to know more. In Safari, on the other hand, Apple's built-in browser is getting a small overhaul with the new floating tabs onto the right side of the window and having the ability to do tab groups. And I was already talking about the new feature that you can disable your Apple devices with the new focus function. And of course, with the new macOS, in the new macOS, you'll have the ability to be able to play any audio from your Apple device onto your Mac, like a Bluetooth speaker with the new AirPlay feature. The ability to be able to connect your Mac through the AirPlay function and be able to share new content from your phone onto your Mac. Or you could be able to view what's on your phone onto your Mac display. And of course, Apple is slowly bumping up the requirements, but it's not that bad. Even though right now, even though Apple is slowly transitioning away from the Intel chip to the M1 chip, due to Apple going to their own processor known as the Apple Silicon. But yet, if you want to know more of you could check out the websites. And also want to mention about Office 2022 that they're going to be doing away with the ribbon interface, and they're going to also introduce a new file format called web.webp, which is something to use for like web related files in the new standalone version of Office 2022. So I'm going to end the video for now, and if you want to share your thoughts and views, and you can actually look at the Microsoft website and the Apple website to see their new OS features. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.